Hey everyone, it's Len at Lion Strong Athletics. I've recently been asked a question about post-exercise heat therapies, things like cryotherapy, ice baths, saunas, or hot tubs. Today, let's explore heat and ice therapies and see which one might be right for you. But first, go hit that like and subscribe button and leave me a comment and let me know what you're interested in to do with exercise or injury treatment. Let's start off with post-exercise cold therapies. Things like ice baths, submerging yourself in bodies of water that are really cold. Cryotherapy chambers, ice packs. Some people put ice packs right on the muscle that they just worked. So what does this do? We are reducing inflammation. We are constricting those blood vessels. And we are trying to delay or get rid of muscle soreness. So why would you use this? When would you want to use this? This is used predominantly for athletes and athletics. And I don't just mean professionals. Say, for example, you've got a crazy pickleball tournament going on where you need to play multiple games throughout the day. You don't want to be sore for your next game. Therefore, maybe you want to ice your shoulder in between. That way you can stave away the feeling of soreness, and then you can play that next game. Professional athletes often get into ice baths after their games are done because they need to play the next day. And if you're sore the next day, you're not going to be able to perform very well. So cold therapies are great for athletic events. Now let's get into post-exercise heat therapies. This is things like hot tubs, saunas, steam rooms, and heating packs that you're putting right on the muscle after you've worked it out. So what does heating do? The first thing is it actually increases inflammation, which sounds really bad, but depending on what your goal is, it might not be. Increased inflammation is triggering your body to send more nutrients to repair that site. So it can actually be quite useful. This might make you a little bit more sore, but if you're willing to deal with that, this might be the choice for you. The second thing it does is it really opens up our blood vessels. And that's so that with our blood that's innervating our muscle, we can get more nutrients in that way. We can fill it with protein and carbs so that it can grow. Whereas if we constrict it, we're not letting it transfer all of those products. Who's this great for? This is great for bodybuilders. As long as you're okay with being a little bit sore, we are maximizing our inflammation so that our body is responding to it, so you will grow better. And we are opening those blood vessels so that we can transport the protein better into the muscle so that it can grow. And when I say bodybuilders, I don't mean you have to be a pro. If your goal is just to gain size and you don't mind being a little bit more sore, this is a great option for you. So as you can see, we can use heat or ice to optimize towards your specific goal. And keep in mind, this can change. My overall goal might be to build more muscle, so I'm doing more post-exercise heat therapies. But maybe on the weekend, I have a football tournament and I'm going to bring ice so that I can stave off the muscle soreness and I can keep playing throughout the day. You're allowed to switch that up and use it where applicable. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're looking for supplements or a workout program, click the link below to my website and you can be Lion Strong.